Hello, welcome to Cooking at Home with Ale. Today, I am going to show you how to cook wonton soup. It's so yum yum. Come along to have a look. We'll put in boiling water and put some salt in. Put some salt in, about teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of salt. About half teaspoon of tomato. Half teaspoon of white pepper. And chopped carrot. Put carrot over here in a pot. Come in here, I use grass noodle. Grass noodle is something like that. I use only one, and soak in the water for 1 hour first. And chop it small like this. I use this minced pork. Put grass noodle in here. Chop it small. Put 1 egg in here. Oh no, 2 egg. Put 2 egg in. 2 egg is nicer. Take the shell out. Make sure you get the shell out. Put it half teaspoon of tomato and salt. About half teaspoon of salt. Put what I call in here. Alright, and smack it up. Put the carb in and smack it up. Yeah. Make sure get it together. Now they get in together properly now. I use this wonton paste I get in from Chinese supermarket. I've just put in here. About turn it come up and turn it up. Put this some more, put something in here. Yes, come up it like that. It's small like that. Come up this junk. The got pork left over and put in here. Put into the pot. Put a bit by bit in here. So yum. Very easy and to make. And taste nice as well. And turn over like that. Turn the cooker up a bit. When they're boiling, use 2 eggs. 2 eggs put in here. Quite big egg, basically. What a big egg. Yep, use 2 eggs. And smack this up. Put the wonton into the pot. Stir it up. Oh, look at that. It's so yum. When wonton is boiling, when wonton is cooked, smack this egg. Put the egg in here. And stir it. When the egg is cooked, all done, try. Let me try. Oh, so nice. If you eat my wonton soup, want to marry me. Now turn cooker off. All done. This is wonton soup. Pork wonton soup is so nice.